Well, we decided to go to a alien planet for part of our little trip this year. Really starting off the New Year's good, I guess. Not everybody gets to travel to weird planets outside of Earth. Well, we found a road with some campsites on it just outside of Goblin Valley State Park in Utah by Hanksville, Utah, and drove down the little side road. Got a nice little viewpoint here. Got the I think that's the edge of the San Rafael swell, and then directly behind the camera here is I guess you'd call it a butte, and right on the other side of it is the Goblin Valley State Park. So right on the other side of that is Goblin Valley State Park. This is one of the campsites, dispersed campsites out at Goblin Valley, and they're pretty cool. A lot better than the campground inside the park, mainly because you don't get electric in there. You do have some water that you can fill tanks up with, and a bathroom and showers, which is nice, but otherwise it's just boondocking basically in a campground. So if you're going to be doing that, you might as well come out here with great view, better view really, because you get a view of the San Rafael swell, which is behind me there. Yeah, so there's campsites all in alongside this cliff here, kind of nestled up right in it. Great spots. Probably not going to get a trailer in most of these just because it's too unlevel. Plenty of room to, but it's just super unlevel. Tents, truck campers, vans, perfect. Let me see your new fox. Let me see your new fox, Bubba's. You tired, boy? You ready for a nap? Yeah. You see the drone? Another dispersed campsite out here by Goblin Valley State Park. This one's nestled right up in a little ridge here. Hoodoos forming. Canyon walls are probably, I don't know, 125, 150 foot tall right here, and probably close to 250 over here. Pretty neat little spot. Barrett's getting to run around, burn off some energy.
Good job.
You can do it, buddy. Good job.
What do you see?
Ow.
Oh, goodness. You gonna slide down? You wanna hold my hand?
We've spent probably a couple hours, maybe 3 hours at the most, driving around on the roads out here at Goblin Valley State Park. Most of the time just in these little dirt roads going to the primitive dispersed campsites. New Year's Eve 2025, right outside of Goblin Valley State Park in Utah at, I think it's South Temple Wash. It's also, I guess it's a state park, or they have a little campground maybe a quarter mile behind me down the road. Several camp spots there, but there's a petroglyph spot right here, and it's just right off the highway, so I'm gonna come take a look at it and see what it looks like. Gorgeous day today. The high is only like 46 right now. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon, but for whatever reason, like if temperature's in the 40s and the sun's out, it feels really good outside. So you see people with pants and t-shirt on, or I just have pants and long sleeve shirt on today. Feels great outside. Now as soon as the sun goes down, it gets real cold, and it doesn't really warm up until 9 o'clock or so in the morning. But we are kind of in the San Rafael swell now, and let's see if we can see them on this camera, if they're going to be too far away. Oh yeah, I see them up there. Right up in there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Oh, wrong button. There we go. See them right in that gray stone. Got the big evil looking demon guys, and I see a cow, and it looks like a shovel. I'm not sure what existed a long time ago whenever these things were drawn, but they seem to, like a lot of these petroglyphs and pictographs and whatnot, you can definitely tell what it is that they're drawing. But then like the humanoid figures, like these ones, they don't look like humans. So I don't know what it is. It looks like this one on the left has a bunch of holes in the middle of it, like they got shot up or something. I don't know. That's it. Then you have this great massive canyon wall that it's on. Let's pan up here. So gorgeous out here. Barrett.
Where's Daddy? I see Daddy.
Barrett. There he is. There he is. Oh, you having fun, Bubba? Yeah.
Hey, turn around.
Careful, Barrett. Let's go find Mama. There she is. So I'm going to show you our camp spot at Goblin Valley State Park in Utah. It's just north of Hanksville. We wound up making this kind of our second home base after Moab on this trip. But you can see gorgeous bluff here in the background. We stayed here because they do have showers, which was kind of the main thing. However, I did not know until we arrived that they do not have power. But we got our setup here. I just hooked back up. This is our last night here. So I got everything hooked up so we can leave earlier in the morning. Warmer in the afternoon than it is first thing in the morning. So there's that. We've got quite the sticker collection starting on our door here. We've added pretty much all these here on this trip. Got Barrett's bike here. He's got the extra seat on it. We can ride him around. It's been a little bit too cold here the past week. Got my e-bike back here. It's had to get charged up. And